This is time you transition from adolescence to adulthood. I am still in my 20s, and everything I'm going to speak on here is something that has helped me a lot, especially during my early 20s when it comes to the unnecessary mistakes that we girls make. It has also helped me to avoid distractions that would hinder my future success. I am not a relationship expert, I am not a counselor, but one thing I know for sure about myself is the fact that I love to learn, and I've built my inner cycle with these expert, intelligent, and powerful women that I always learn from, also from my past experiences. In today's video, guys, we'll be talking about how to conquer your 20s, the habits you must develop, and the things you need to do for you to win before your 30s. If you're seeing me for the first time, hi, I'm Chimwapel. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment your favorite tip down below. Now, let's talk about the habits you must develop to conquer your 20s. Number one is this: make a habit of planning. This is the easiest way to stay on track. You can easily get lost without planning. Plan your day, plan your week, and plan your month. Don't just wake up and start living your life. You are going to get lost. I am a huge advocate for planners and staying organized with a plan. This is a habit you must develop in your 20s. The second habit is habits to stay fit and active. Exercise does not have to be super structured or intense. Just a quick at home workout. That's all you need. You need exercise to improve productivity and for your mental health. The last habit on this list is habits to learn something new every day. Be it a quick life hack that you found on YouTube or a new language, make sure you are learning something new every day. If you are not making money on social media, you are not supposed to be there scrolling every day. Save your data, save your time, go on YouTube and learn something new. It's going to help you a lot. Now, let's talk about the most important things that you really need to do if you want to conquer your 20s. The first one is this: take your life seriously. Your 20s will either make you or destroy you. I don't believe in this saying of enjoy your life, live your life carefree, do whatever you want to do, stop taking your life too seriously. No, sis. You need to take your life seriously. Take your goals and your dreams seriously now that you are in your 20s. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your 20s partying, living carefree, and all that. Alcohol will not help you in your 30s. Partying every weekend will not save you in your 30s. This is time to invest in yourself. This is time to focus in building yourself. If you want to have a good 30s and beyond, your 20s is the right time to build yourself. I'm telling you, you are single, you are happy, you are looking beautiful. Every man wants a piece of you right now. Use it for your advantage. Don't be carried away. Cut off unnecessary friendship. Learn to save. Save in the morning, save in the night. Make sure you are saving. Saving is very important because what you save now is what is going to save you later in the future. Nobody is coming to save you. Save your money to start up a business. Save your money to learn a hard skill. Invest in yourself. Focus in building yourself. If you don't party now, you can party tomorrow. Build yourself. It's very important. Don't waste your 20s. As long as you keep doing the right thing, life will favor you. You don't have to figure it all out at once, but keep going the right way. Keep doing the right thing. Put your life in order. I'm telling you the truth. Learn from other people's mistakes. Be very careful of what you do right now. Set yourself up for success. Stay focused. Don't just believe believing that when you are in your 30s you start building. Start now. Start now. Keep building. That business, that small business that is not giving you enough money yet, is going to pay you off later. That content you're creating that nobody is watching now is going to pay you off later. I'm telling you the truth. Even the Bible said it in Proverbs 22:29, that a man who is diligent in his business is going to stand before kings. You have to focus. You have to be diligent. You have to be consistent. Don't lose yourself. Don't lose focus. And being serious. Save. personal development, your goals. Take it seriously. Dream big. Start working towards your future. Stop wasting time. Stop partying every weekend. It's not going to save you. It's not going to pay you. I'm telling you the truth. You can still have fun. You can still enjoy your life, but everything should be moderate. Another thing you need to do right now in your 20s is to invest in your wardrobe. The way you dress is going to open doors for you. You don't need too much money to do this. Just go to the market or go to the boutique and buy yourself quality pieces. Buy yourself quality wears that will last for you. Stop going for the trendy outfits. You don't need to spend so much to look good. You don't need to spend so much to dress well. How you dress really matters. How you dress says a lot about you. You can use one quality jean to match three different tops. You can use one quality top to match three different jeans. Learn to mix and match. Always look good whenever you are stepping out of your house. You never can tell who you are going to meet out there. You never can tell who you will run into when you step outside. Don't play with yourself. Invest in your look, not just about the clothes, the way you appear, your hair, your nails, everything about yourself. Take care of yourself. Always look presentable. It helps your confidence and makes people want to start a positive conversation with you. If you dress good, you will attract quality people. Whenever you're going out, always look good. Touch your eyebrows, touch your lips. Don't just leave the house without taking care of yourself. Invest in your look. I've said it here a lot of times that there are so many ways you can look good on a budget. You don't need to use the most expensive foundation or the most expensive powder for your face to look good. Go to the market, ask questions, ask people where you can get good makeup. Touch your face before you leave the house. Look good. Invest in your wardrobe, invest in your looks, invest in your appearance. It matters. Seriously, dressing well will actually help you attract the right people into your life. It's going to make people want to communicate with you and have a good conversation with you. Don't leave your house without looking good. Always look good. Let people know you with that. Don't wear bathroom slippers outside. It's not nice. There are things you don't take outside. Your hair bonnet, don't do that. Look good. Look neat. Smell good. Take care of yourself in your 20s. Buy yourself sunglasses. You need it. You need to look stunning whenever you're going out. I don't know why I've been bending to talk to you guys. Maybe I'm just peeping inside the camera, but let me sit upright. Okay, so the next thing on my list is to invest in your education. Don't play yourself this time around. Listen, I know you must have heard this from me before. Education, education, school, school, school. Yes, school is not a scam. I'm telling you the truth. School is not a scam. Go to school and grab as much knowledge as possible or as you can. It's going to help you later in the future. Don't say, oh, you are a girl or you don't care, you want to make your money. Nobody will ask you of your certificates once you make money. Let me be honest with you. When you make that money that you want to make right now, there are certain people you want to start mingling with. If you are in your early 20s and you have the opportunity to go to school, please go to school. Believe me, I dropped out of college at 19. Yeah, I think it was 19 because I wanted to enjoy my life. I wanted to chop life. I wanted to travel and do all that. When I clocked 21, nobody advised me to go get admission. I'm serious. Nobody advised me. I went to school myself and applied for admission. Nobody advised me. I advised myself. Because at some point, I started meeting these girls, these guys. Some of them are into tech, some of them are business owners, Some of them are graduates. Most of my friends are graduates. To be honest with you, most of them are graduates. And when you're sitting down with them, all you will be hearing is, when I finished serving, I was located to this place, I traveled to this place when I was in school. When I was in school, I myself, I would just be like, I've never had this school experience. Everyone here is a graduate. So, how is school a scam if I'm the only one in their midst that is not a graduate? How is school a scam? Don't miss that opportunity. You can still go to school in your 30s, but let me tell you something, it won't be that easy. If you have the opportunity now, maybe you have someone that is going to support you, don't misuse it. Go to school, invest in your education. If you can't afford physical class or something or full-time university, go to DLI or part-time. I'm just telling you the fact. School is important. School is not a scam. If you come to my school, you will see some of your favorite celebrities, rich guys, rich girls. Some of these people are wealthy. Why are they now in school if school is a scam? Why can't they go and buy the certificate with their money? School is not a scam. Don't listen to anybody telling you that. Your 20s will make you or destroy you. You want to win, you want to make it, you want to do this, but you're always lying down, watching other people's life, going to the wrong places just to take shots, just to smoke shisha, and that is not it. You can do all those things, but make sure that your education is there. Make sure that you are learning something new. Make sure that your goals are well set. Make sure that you plan your life. Don't live your life unplanned. Seriously, there are some stories that we hear from my friends. I'll be like, is it that these people are not in this our generation or something? Is it that they don't come on YouTube to learn? Seriously, some people are taking unnecessary risk in these their 20s. Be careful. Take your life seriously. Stop playing. Don't play with yourself. Nobody is coming to save you in this life. This is something I forced myself to believe. No single person is coming to save you. If you didn't play your card well, in your 30, you are going to start like someone who just clocked 20. I'm serious. In your 20s, you have all the time to learn a new skill, go to school, do a lot of beautiful things that will help you. It's not just about explore. It's not just about travel. Traveling is good, but while you are traveling, be saving money. While you are traveling, have a business. I know a lot of people in their 20s are still confused on what to do with their life and all that. Don't worry. You can't figure it out all at once. Okay? Slow down. Do the right thing. Fix your life well. Cut off all those friends that only call you to party, smoke, and whatever. Cut them off. You don't need them. You only need one or two important people in your life. I'm being serious. Connect yourself with God now that you are in your 20s. Don't stay until you are matured. You need God now more than anything. He is the only one that can direct you as long as you're doing the right thing. Okay? Please advise yourself. Take your life seriously. I hope you've been able to learn something new today. If you watched to this end, I just want to let you know that I'm still your sister and I love you so much from the bottom of my heart. I will see you in my next video. Bye.